Alright, today I noticed some bolts loose on the wheel horse. That one there. That one there. And the seat. If we can get to it. It might just spin though, we'll see. Half inch. 9/16. Nope. Alright, so it is 1/2 inch. Should just hit these with PB Blaster first, in case they're rusted. It's cold out here today. My diesel heater broke. Gotta send that back to Amazon. Don't over prime those. I think I blew it up by over priming it after it ran out of diesel. Whoa. Wow. Oh, there are no threads left on that. Well, looks like I gotta find a new bolt for that. I'm gonna grab my torch for this side, see if I can warm it up. Be right back. Okay, so it looks like heat is the way to go on that. No more rattling from there. Alright, let's see what we got. Totally spinning. I'll have to take this off. Looks like those two. I'll grab a 10 mil, we'll see what happens. Okay. Maybe I'll clean that up a little bit before I put it back on. There it is. totally stripped. I don't think I want to reuse that. That looks a little bit smaller. Try 7/16. That's nice and tight. Let's get the seat cleaned up. Alright. No more rattles from there. Kind of want to retain a carriage bolt there. A regular bolt will kind of look like crap. So that'll have to wait for another day. Alright, well that's all folks. Stay tuned. We got some more upgrades for this. We're going to be buying plow mounts for the rear axle, as well as the 42-inch dozer blade / plow. Stay tuned.